Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the new day. Today we are going to learn about a new aasan called Ustrasan, which is a camel pose. This is very good for your low back and spine flexibility. This will also help you to reduce your belly fat. This aasan is called as camel pose because you need to lift your body like camel and you need to balance on your feet. So let's start Ustrasan camel pose. So while starting Ustrasan, you have to be sit comfortable in Vajrasan. So this is the way you have to sit, relax in Vajrasan. You need to get relaxed. You can spend 20 seconds in this pose. After that, you have to lift your body like this and you need to be on your toes like this. After that, you need to keep your hand on your this part of your feet and you need to lift your body and you need to balance your body on your feet. So let's start. Relax. So this is the technique. You have to be in Vajrasan. After that, you need to lift your body, keep your feet like this, and you need to balance with your hands and you need to lift your body. Let's start. Slowly need to return to the original position like this. Another aasan, similar way you can do it. This is just for extending or adding flexibility to your spine. You need to be in Vajrasan pose and you need to put your body backside and you need to sleep completely like this. This is the way you can increase stretch to your low back and this will help you to add flexibility to your spine. At the same time, it also helps to reduce belly fat. You have to be in this position for 20 to 30 seconds. You can feel the stretch on your thighs, your back, low back and belly. You can be in Shavasana and return to normal.